Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you've seen my last video, then you know that I was saving this item to share with you my ideas for some travel hacks using Dollar Tree's new item, the storage cube. I find this really nice and a really great find. Let me know if you have seen this already at your Dollar Tree. I know some may get it a little bit late than others, but they do have two different colors here and both of them are really nice. I picked up one of each color and I think these are super nice for traveling. So I'm going to show you what you can use them for specifically, just to give you some ideas, because I know when the day comes, sometimes we just don't think about what can go in here. We just tend to think of the usual stuff that you can put in here, obviously like clothes, but there's so much more things that you can use this for. But first, I'm going to just show you how it looks if you pack your socks and your underclothing and things like that inside of here. And it's a great size bag. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's a medium-sized bag, but it does carry a lot. It can carry a lot inside. As you can see here, there's still so much more space inside of the bag with all of those pair of socks that I already have, plus some other things. And then you can strap them in nice and tight so that it doesn't move around too much and things like that. And then I'm going to close it up, and the great thing is that it also has a handle, which I find very convenient. And another thing that I didn't even notice is that on the back it has a little button here, so if you have something inside like what I have now, something soft, you can button it, fold it in half, and it's even more of a space saver inside of your luggage or bag that you are placing it in. And I love that. I think it's super great and a nice way to save even more space and placing it in your luggage. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, take this out, and show you the next thing that you can use this for is your cosmetics and hair, beauty stuff, things like that, for when you are traveling or on a road trip. As you can see, I placed down some lotion, perfumes, dry shampoo, my hairbrush. I'm even gonna place down this bag of makeup and things like that that I always have in this little bag for whenever I travel or go somewhere. And then I'm just going to add more stuff inside, and you can see you have a ton of space still left. I'm even gonna add some of this female products here that can easily be placed inside of here, but since I did throw everything in, I do have to rearrange some things, but it does fit really nicely. And I think this is a super cool way to organize all of your cosmetics and things that is a priority need for when you are traveling. You can just have this outside of your luggage for whenever you go to a rest stop or things like that. You can quickly take this out and have everything you need. So that is great. And once again, the handle makes it super convenient and everything fits like a dream with much more space. Another great travel hack item that you can get from Dollar Tree is this little storage box that you can find in their tool section, and they also have one in the sections where their beauty stuff is at, where you can find the hair stuff and things like that is normally in the bottom shelf. And this is super great to make like your own first aid kit or even charger holder for your phones and your electronics, things like that, or some emergency things that you might need. You never know when something could happen and you might need something in an emergency. This is really great for that. So you can see I'm just placing in things that you might need for a first aid. And this is great to leave in your glove compartment, in the front of your car, or even in your trunk, wherever you would like to place it. But you can see it has many different little compartments where you can place down things for when you are traveling. And it is super great to have, especially when you have kids. You can see I placed down some batteries and a charger. Obviously, you don't want to leave the batteries inside of the car overnight or in the heat or anything like that, but while you are traveling, it is perfectly fine because you are going to be in the car anyway, so you are going to obviously supervise it. but just don't leave them inside. You don't want them blowing up. And you can also place down some hand soap sheets, so whenever you stop at a rest area, some toilet covers. This pack of toilet covers is not from Dollar Tree. It is from Target Dollar Spot. I always like to check out that little area. They always have out different things, and sometimes they have really great things for a great price. So this is my little emergency kits that I'm going to place up here in the glove box, in the glove compartment, which is super great for, again, for whenever you may need something out of there. You can quickly just grab it without, going through all of your bags and luggage and things like that. Dollar Tree also has been putting out these packs, these little shower travel kit packs that have a nice amount of bottles inside for your everyday needs. You can see it has a small one here, a toothbrush cover, and 2 bottles inside. Even has a loofah, which is great, and look at the cute little design on there. This has the airplanes. There is another one that has I believe palm trees, and then another design as well. I find this very nice for the price, $125. You can't beat that for everything that comes inside of here, especially with the plastic packaging. You can just leave all of the bottles inside of there so it can be nice and protected, and in case of anything were to leak, it won't fall all over your things. It will be inside of that plastic pouch, which is great. So I recommend leaving it inside of there. But this is super great for when you are traveling for your shampoo, conditioner, or lotion, whatever you want to place down. And then inside of that smaller jar, you can place down maybe some toothpaste for your traveling, so you can have easy access to that if you wanted, or literally whatever you want to place inside of there, maybe some eye cream or things of that nature. But you can see the other little prints here, which is super cute and adorable, and I find these really nice, my friend, for traveling. And the price, you really cannot beat it for $1.25 for all of this. So yeah, it's super great. And now I'm going to place it right back inside of that packaging. I do end up just placing it right back in that plastic bag as well, just to keep it nice and secured in case it were to leak or anything like that. We can have it, drip inside of that little bag there. Moving back to that storage cube, this is another great way that you can use it for traveling. If you have kids, or if you have games yourself or books, you can place it down inside of the storage cube with ease of grabbing it. And it has a handle, it has the straps to keep everything nice and in place and safe. So you can place down the game down inside along with books. This is kind of like a little activity kit, if you will, for your kids when you are in the car or wherever it is that you are in, is to keep the kids nice and entertained. You also can place down some, little mini board games and card games inside of here. Like I'm going to place down this Uno. They do have mini games in kind of all the stores now have them, but I know Five Below carries them as well, where they're the smaller versions of the big board games, which is super convenient for when you are traveling or in the car. So I'm going to use this for that, and I think it's a really great idea for when you are traveling with kids. Let me know what you think of this one and all of the ones that I showed you today using this storage cube and the other things that I found at Dollar Tree for traveling, because I do love them all. But my friend, taking a quick little break from the traveling ideas, I want to show you these new bottles from Dollar Tree. These are some vinegar and olive oil bottles that you can find at Dollar Tree right now. They do already come with the labeling, as you can see, which I find really nice, because they did used to sell these bottles. They had these bottles prior, but they did not have the labeling. So I find that having the labeling now is really nice and convenient and just doesn't require further work. You can place down your oils, your vinegar, and have a nice aesthetic to your kitchen for $1.25. That is awesome. Just wanted to share that with you. And yeah, thank you so much, my friend, for tuning into today's video. I truly appreciate you so much. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. If you've made it this far into my video, comment down below best travel hacks, and I will know that you made it this far into my video and stuck to the very end, which is again highly appreciated. So thank you so much. Be sure to comment down best travel hacks, and I will see you all on my next video. Take care and God bless.